Hey there, Ivaylo here from the Stoyanov Group, and in this video I'll be discussing how the condo market is trending in comparison to the freehold market. We'll take a look at how both markets were trending in 2020 and where they are now in the beginning of 2021. Now, taking a look at both markets before the first lockdown in March of 2020, both the condo and the freehold market were absolutely on fire, with prices on the rise in both sectors. After the first lockdown took effect in mid-March of 2020, real estate in general almost came to a complete halt, with very limited transactions taking place. Now, there was very little inventory, with even fewer transactions, causing real estate activity to almost come to a complete halt for roughly 3 to 4 months. Now, one of the things that people realized who lived in condos was that they needed more space, and with working from home becoming more and more acceptable for many employers, it became very important for people to move out and get into a freehold home. Along with that, immigration in general has dramatically slowed down in Canada, which has really decreased demand, especially for the Toronto condo market. Now, one of the other factors that we're going to take a look at is that many condos, especially in Toronto, were short-term rentals for many investors, which were no longer allowed in many buildings after mid-March of 2020, causing those investors to either convert their investment to long-term rentals or sell their investment, which caused condo inventory levels to dramatically rise. Now, low immigration, high inventory, and low demand for the condo market has forced condo prices to decline over the last 6 months. On the other hand, more and more demand increasing for freehold properties due to people looking for bigger places, working from home, and not needing to live as close as possible to their work. Freehold prices have been rising steadily for the last 6 months and continue to rise as this trend is slowly becoming the new normal. Now, as we expect the freehold market to continue to rise in price, as we are seeing low inventory and high demand right now. Now, do not expect condo prices to stay where they are for much longer. Canada's immigration plan to bring roughly 3 million immigrants over the next 5 years will bring much more demand into the Toronto market, which will affect prices. Now, investors are slowly going to come back to the Toronto market as they realize the potential rate of returns from current low prices. Now, if you have more in-depth questions regarding the condo or freehold market and how the current situation could affect your plan to buy, sell, or invest, I would love the opportunity to go over any questions you have and help out with your decision. As always, if you or anyone you know is looking for a great realtor, just give me a call and I would love to help. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope that you're also staying safe. Cheers.